Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be performing an engine oil service on a 2021 Chevy Trailblazer 1500. You're going to find and locate the drain bolt for the oil pan, and just to the side of it you'll find the oil filter. We're going to undo both of these. We'll start with the drain bolt on the oil pan. It's going to be a 15mm socket. Make sure your oil container is more than 8 quarts. This one that I'm using is a 15-quart container. You want to check the drain bolt gasket, make sure it's still good. There's no rips, no obvious tears. This does not take a washer that you remove. The gasket is built inside the bolt, the drain bolt. Once you come to a small dribble, reinstall the bolt, the drain bolt with the gasket. Torque spec for this bolt, for the drain bolt, is 18 foot-pounds or 25 Newton meters. Wipe off any excess oil. To prevent a big mess, I let the oil drain out of the filter like this for a little bit until it comes to a dribble, and then I'll take out the rest. Just be careful not to tip this over because there is a lot of oil still in that filter. This is the part number for the oil filter we're going to be using from Wix. Refill the oil filter. Clean the mating surface of the oil filter, a clean shop towel. Make sure before you reinstall the filter, you get a thin film of oil on the new gasket right here. You're going to screw it on until it makes contact. Right there, and you're going to go a 3/4 turn to a full turn from here. So now we're going to top off the engine oil. I have a oil filter funnel kit I'm going to be using just to prevent any spills. I'll go ahead and link that kit down in the description. It comes with adapters for most make and models, and this nice little funnel so you don't make any spills. Once again, this engine takes 8 quarts of 0W20. We're going to be using Dexos 1. This is the GM approved engine oil, 0W20, just like it says on the oil cap. So to reset the oil light, you're going to turn on the vehicle. With the vehicle on, you're going to use the buttons on your steering wheel. Turn right. On the I, for the information tab, you're going to scroll down using the buttons here. You'll go down until you get to your oil life reset. You're going to select it with the button in the center. It's going to ask if you want to reset. Turn right, select yes, oil life reset. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.